everyone. A warm welcome to each and everyone to Udita's Classroom. This is Udita and you are watching Udita's Classroom. This is a new day with another episode where I am going to share our work from home openings. So today's job is based on work from home opportunity and that has been published from a renamed company of India. So guys, you can go and definitely you will be applicable here and you will definitely apply here without any hesitation because this is one of the best companies in India. So guys, the first and foremost thing is that here we are going to talk about the work from home openings that is published from our renamed company, that is Dish TV India. Yes guys, Dish TV India, if we go about section of this company, we all know that it is the entertainment providing company and that is based on the internet functional area. So what is the job role, who can apply, salary structure, actually responsibility of this particular job, all the required informations I am going to share in this video in detail. So if you are interested, then obviously see this video till the end, because at the ending portion of video I am going to share how will be your interview session, what should be the actual interview questions they will ask you. So let's get started today's episode. So you mostly know about what is the Dish TV and what is the actual functional and responsibility of this particular company. So let's go to the actual and official website where you can find out the total job information. So don't worry, it's based on work from home and actual they will provide a salary package nearly 15 to 17,000, but that is based on your activities, based on your skills, that will obviously increase. Okay, so they will not mention here the particular salary package but that is depending upon your call attendance. One thing is that they will provide here the inbound call, and inbound call, one thing is that is only you have to accept a call, and in the part of the outbound call that will provide you a call. You have to do a call, you have to make a call to another person, but in this particular case you have to attend a call, you have to receive the call only. So what is the actually job here? That is when the customers or client of the Dish TV, they will call you and you have to attend the call and obviously sort out all the problems, all the doubts of the clients. And for this particular purpose you have knowledge about good communication skills in English and Hindi, because without any good communication skill you may not be able to solve their doubt. Okay, and Dish TV has been published nearly 1,000 vacancies here, so it is one of the best opportunities you may say. And if you are selected here, then they will provide you a training session that must be happen through virtually, and they will provide how to take call, how to attend a call, and how to answers in any type of questions, that means that will asked by clients. So now let's go to my laptop screen and see the advertisement. So I am going to here actual career page of Dish TV. Now let's talk about the detailed notifications which has been published in career platform of Dish TV. Here they have mentioned that it is one type of freelancer and obviously work from home based criteria. If you have 0 to 5 years experience, that means if you are a freshers or as well as experienced, both are welcome for this particular post, and it is based on the Delhi NCR based company, but the job is basically work from home. So if you are in any corner of India, you can definitely do this work. Now come to the point, that actual description of this working platform. Yes guys, if you are a housewife or a retired person or a VRS person, or you are a freshers as well as students and with lots of experience in any different field, you may apply here. But one thing is that you have to a good communication skill in English and Hindi. Now come here, role and responsibility. So they have mentioned here that is inbound calls or freelancers. That means you have to take some calls or receive some calls of the clients and must clear their doubts, must clear their any queries. Okay, and now desired candidate profile, that as this is a work from home based opening, so you must have laptop or desktop because you have to do this work from your own workplace. And one thing is that to continue your work smoothly, you have to attend a broadband connection. You have to implement in your house a broadband connection so that without any interruption you can do your work smoothly. Now they will mention here a link and an email ID. You have to apply through this link or email ID. Now come here the role, that is that is the freshers, and this is basically a functional area. If it is a BPO or KPO or LPO, that means a customer service operation, where the industry related about media or entertainment, and this is obviously internet online based work. If you want to spend more times, then you will consider here as the full-time career, or as well as you can attend here as a freelancer, or this is home-based job. So doing this type of work, the basic key skills required here, like communication skills, a good communication skill, because you have to handle lots of clients with Hindi or English, so your communication skills must good. Customer care handling process, and some skills that is highlighted with our preferred key skills. And if let's talk about the education requirement, that is not any specialization, but if you are a graduate in any specialization, like if you are a BTech or you are a BA candidate or any BSc or BCA, you must apply here. Now let's see how to apply, the steps of application. Here you can see that is apply, so click here and you will get such type of form, okay, where apply to job. That means here you can find that they will provide you a form with some informations regarding you, that is name, enter your name, email, your proper email ID through which they will contact with you, mobile number, a perfect mobile number. If they will contact with you through that mobile number, you have to mention here current locations from where you are going to apply. If you are from outside India, then mention here, and if you are in India, then mention the location name. Okay, now tell about your current location from where you are applying here. Now total experience, if you are a freshers, then choose freshers, or if you have any experience, then the year mention here as your year of experience. Now here attach resume. If you have any resume, then choose file and attach your resume. If you have resume, then mention here that I don't have resume. So in this type of work from home job oriented openings, if you want to know how to make a resume effectively so that you will be selected as soon as possible, then make sure let's comment in my comment section below. I will definitely make another video regarding how to make resume for work from home based openings. Okay, now here I agree to this, where they will provide a terms and conditions. Now come here, after attaching your resume and check the terms and conditions. Now it's time to submit here. So if you click here, then your format will be submitted to the DSTB team, that means recruitment board. Okay, and if you want to update your Naukri profile, that means now where that profile by which you will be applicable here as the Naukri.com, so you can go definitely click here apply with the Naukri.com. Then here, as I have already made my profile, but if you have no account till now, but make sure you have to make a naukri.com account perfectly. Okay, now let's talk about the interview session, interview questions. What type of questions will you ask from the recruitment board? Your questions must be divided in two groups. Group A, that must be about yourself, that means how effective your communication skills, and group B, that regarding about company. So in case of about type A, that is ability of your communication skills, they will ask you, tell me about yourself, tell me about your hobby, what is your interest, how do you handle the client when they are disappointed, like this type of question. This is a very important questions, that how do you handle a client when they will disappointed. Okay, then what are your strengths, what are your weakness, why should we hire you, like this type of question they will ask in group A, like about checking your ability about the communication skills. Now let's go to the group B, and that is regarding about company, that why do you work with Dish TV, what is your call of working in Dish TV, what is your point of view about Dish TV, what is the process of Dish TV working, what is the purpose of Dish TV, what is the actual work, actual product of Dish TV, what is the functional area about Dish TV. So before going to apply here, I am telling you that it is a suggestion that let's go to check the about section, history part of the any company. This type of question they will ask. So basically this is helpful to you, those person who are searching about work from home job openings, and I am sharing work from home online money earning strategies and sometimes small business ideas and tips and tricks how to be a good content writer in freelancing field. So give me a like button if you like this type of content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Be the part of Udita's classroom. So this is for today, guys. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. I will meet with you with the next day with the new another informative videos. Till then, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Goodbye.